Hi everybody. Today we are going to start the 6th standard first lesson. The name of the first lesson is Dog Finds His Master. What is the title of the lesson? Dog Finds His Master. Will you tell all of you which animals are your pet animals? You know already cat, dog, yes, no, ox, cow, so many animals will be there. You are going to give you your pet animals name. Here is which animals are used as a heavy to lift heavy goods and loads. Which animal we are using? Tell me anybody. We are using donkeys and next camel, next elephant. Yes, no? So many animals we are using to lift the heavy loads. And now the question arises that which animal is known as man's best friend? Which animal is known as man's best friend? Do you know anybody? The animal name is dog. Which animal is known as the man's best friend? The animal is that dog. That is dog. Why we took the name of the dog? Why it is become a very best man's friend? Tell me, why it become a best friend of man? Will you tell anybody? Why? Because it is very sincere. That is why it become a friend for the man. Understand, children? So this is the man's best friend for finding his master. It wanted to become a servant for his master. That is why they gave the name of the lesson is the dog finds his master. So let's start the lesson. Then the first paragraph I am going to read a sentence and paragraph. Later I am giving you a short explanation. You recall it and read it, and again one more time you realize what is the lesson. Foxes hunt alone, never in packs. Once dogs were to their own masters and lived the way foxes did. They lived in freedom until a dog was born who was not pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. Here what happened? Foxes hunt alone, never in packs. Foxes you know already. Foxes we are going to hunt alone, never in groups. Pack means what it is? Pack. The meaning of pack. Pack means what it is? Group of foxes. Group of foxes is called what? A pack. This is the example of collective noun. What type of noun it is? Collective noun. What is that? Pack is one of the noun. That is the collective noun. See now, or never in packs. When they are together, we are standing, we are in the unity. Unity should be there. When we are together in a group, no one cannot break our group. Why? Because unity is there, there is a strength, there is a unity. That is why no one can break up our unity when we are in a group. When we are alone or single, that time anybody can come and attack us. Understand? So unity is very important. Unity should be there with the family members, with the classmates, with your friends. So unity should be there. Here what happened? Once dog were to also wanted to happen the lifestyle of foxes. How the foxes are living in the same lifestyle, the dogs were also started to follow. What happened? They became his lifestyle. What happened? The dog also wanted to change its life toward the foxes. How the foxes are living? Dogs also wandering here and there. They are also going to collect the food with their group. How many dogs were there in the group? All together they are going and plucking the food and they are eating. Yes, no, this is the lifestyle of the dog. Once what had happened, when he was sick and tired of wandering about by himself looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. What happened here? Dog also born, but when it became adult, it was very sick and became tired in searching of food, in searching of whatever it wants. Sometimes whenever we hungry, we should search. We are human beings, we are storing food in our houses, but animals cannot store the food. Why? Because they don't know what is the tomorrow. Today how much it will get, that much they will eat. That is the position. But what happened? It was tired, and if it is going outside to search the food, it was afraid of other animals who are stronger than that dog. And next is, he thought for a while and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. Next time suddenly the dog decided to become a servant for the strongest animal. Why it decided? Why? Because it is afraid for others. So it wanted to search one master. It wanted to become a servant for his master. And he set out to find such a master. And he started to search a master, best master. Where is he? He started. And he walked and walked, and he met the kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as himself. He was fierce. Where are you going, friend? The wolf asked. Next what happened? He walked and walked. Little some time he walked, and suddenly what happened? He met a kinsman of his. Kinsman. The word meaning of kinsman is what? Kinsman. It is the use of Old English. The meaning of kinsman is relative. The meaning of kinsman is relative. Who is the kinsman of the dog here? Tell me. Wolf. Who is the kinsman of dog here? That is wolf. Who is the relative of dog here? Wolf. It was met on the wayside. What happened? He was a fierce, and where are you going, friend? The wolf asked. He was the very strongest animal, and he was very cruel animal. What happened? Wolf is asking what? The dog asked to what? The dog is going. Suddenly wolf came in front of the dog, and wolf asked, where are you going, my friend? And suddenly what had happened? Where are you going, friend? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up me as a servant. What is going to answer the wolf? Wolf is replied, what? Where are you going? It asked. But dog, what is the dog answer? Dog is telling the answer what? I am searching a best master, and I wanted to become a what? A servant for my master. And would you like to be my master, wolf? The dog said. What happened? The dog is asking to the wolf, what? Would you become my master, please? Then next, and why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. What happened? Both will be agreed. What the dog asked? The dog asked, what? Would you become my master? Nee nan master aagti anta kelutadu. Then wolf replied, what? Yes. Yes. Then they went from that place. And next they walked and walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly apart into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was very much surprised. What happened? They walked and walked. Sometimes all of a sudden wolf what is going to do? Son, it was lifting his nose. Something smell it was getting, someone is coming. Yes, no? And it sniffed and darted quickly. It was darting its legs. The soil and all it was darting, and it was scratching also, and of the path into the bushes. Bushes means small plants. It was crashing and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was very much surprised. Why the wolf is showing what? Little. It was becoming dull. Why the wolf become dull? Why it is afraid? The dog is thinking about the wolf. Wolf, why did it happen? Now it became the master for the dog. Why? Because why the dog is received as a master? Tell me. Why the dog received the wolf as a master? Why? Because the dog thought what? The wolf is the strongest animal on the earth. That is why it take up him as a master. But now what it happened? The wolf only afraid for someone here. So that is why the dog was very much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. The dog suddenly asking what is going to happen? Why are you afraid me? The dog asked the wolf. And next what happened? What has frightened you so much? Nia bhaya padtidi jasti. Why are you afraid so much? And can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat both of us? The wolf replied. Suddenly the wolf replied, what? Can't you see the bear? Bear is coming towards us. If it comes means we both will become a food for him. It will eat us. That is why I am afraid. Who is replying this? The wolf replied. Then tell me now, who is stronger? Tell me whether the bear or whether the wolf. Yes. Now in front of the dog, this situation is happened. Suddenly the dog changed its mind and it decided to take up as a master the bear. It decided to take up him as a master for the bear. It received already. And next seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, what it decided? This wolf is weak. The bear is strong. The dog decided wolf is afraid for the bear. That is why the wolf is weak. The bear is strong. That is why my master is bear. Who decided this? The dog decided to take the master as a master. Who is that? The bear. First master is what? Wolf. Now wolf is afraid for the bear. That is why the dog took bear as a master. And next, they decided to take up service with the bear. It decided to take up the service with the bear and it became a servant for the bear now. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. He is pleasing the what? Bear. Would you become my master please? It was requesting to the bear. Who requested bear? The dog requested the bear. Would you take me as your servant? And next see what happened. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. Then suddenly what happened? Bear is agreed with that statement and we go and search the herd of cows. Herd of cows means that is also one of the best example for the collective noun. Herd of cow, group of cows is called what? Herd. And next, let us go and find the herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. What happened? Where is the group of cows? In the forest itself, we search it and next I will kill all the cows, then we will eat up and we will be happy. Who said this? The bear said. And next they walked on the soon and saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come to it and they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. The bear looked from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily and deeper into the forest. Next what is going to happen? Same situation came in front of the bear also. What happened? They are going to serve the herd of cows, group of cows where they will be. And now what is going to happen? They walked soon saw herd of cows, but herd of cows only running from that forest. Why? Because they were stopped by a terrible noise, a bad noise they were getting. That is very bad. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic all direction. Panic meaning they will be in hurry. They are spreading all over the forest. Wherever they want, they were running. And next, the bear looked from the behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. What happened? The bear also started running into the forest. All cows will be already started running and bear also started running deep into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? He said to the dog. It is the lion who ruled the forest in these parts. What happened? Now, why did I have to come here? Who asked this? Who said this? The bear said to the dog. Said to the dog, and it is the lion. What is the answer? Who is that? It is the lion. And who rule the forest in these parts? Already lion is the king of the jungle. That is the lion. Who is he? And don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth? Who is replying this? Bear is answering to the dog. The lion is the strongest animal on the earth. Well, then I will say goodbye to you. Bear, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. Again, who is stronger? Firstly, dog met this kinsman wolf. He thought what? The wolf is the strongest. Then it became a servant for the wolf. And next, when it is operating for the bear, that time what happened? The wolf is started operating for the bear. Then dog changes its mind. It wanted to become a servant for the bear. Why? Because bear is the strongest animal. Who thought this? The dog thought. And next, bear also operating for the lion. Lion is the jungle of king. So it is very strongest animal in these parts. That is why it is the strongest. Who said this? The bear said. That is why dog changes and set its mind towards the lion, and he received as his master the lion. It became a servant for the lion. Understand, children? Firstly, see now, the dog. Dog is a pet animal. We know already. Yes or no? Firstly, what happened? It became a servant for the wolf. Yes or no? When the wolf is operating for the bear, that time again it changes to bear. Again the dog became a servant for the bear. When the bear is operating for the lion, again the dog became a servant for the lion. Why? Because it thought what? The bear said the lion is the strongest animal. That is why he decided to become a servant for the lion. Why? Because who is stronger? We came to know who is the stronger. Yes or no? Who is stronger means the dog came to know first who is strongest. But it is operating for the bear. That is why the dog became a servant for the lion. Why? Because the lion is very strong animal. Who thought this? The dog thought this. The lion agreed to take, the lion agreed to take the dog into his service, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time, and it was a good life. He had nothing to complain about because no one dared to touch the dog or offer him in any way. What happened? Why will you think anybody why the dog will become a servant for the strongest animal? If it become a servant for the lion, nobody can touch the dog. Wherever it want, it will go. Wherever it want to eat, that will get the food. Why? Because the lion is strongest. That is why the dog made the idea to become a servant for the lion. Lion is the strongest animal and strongest of all the land animals. That is why it become a servant for the lion. The lion agreed to take up a dog into the service, and dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. So many years it served with the lion. Why? Because lion is the strongest animal, nobody can touch. And next, it was a good life. He had nothing to complain about because no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. What happened? No one can touch the lion and dog. Why? Because lion is the strongest beast on the earth. That is why the dog decided and take me up as a servant for the lion, and it stay healthy and wealthy with the lion. Next session will continue the next lesson. Okay children, understand, read well, and whatever words I told you that you recall.